Hello everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan sa kasalukuyan. Thank you very much for all those beautiful and inspiring insights and inputs. They are all motivating. Thank you so much. And keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing and there's so much to smile about. Have a nice day. Keep safe. Hello to all my subscribers, local and overseas, and old and new. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa channel na ito. Lalo na sa mga magaganda at positibong mga appreciation and praises. Sana magustuhan nyo lagi ang mga ginagawa kong video para sa inyo. At pagbubutihin natin lalo para sa inyong ikasisiya. At sana meron kayong natutunan o matututunan sa bawat video na aking i-share sa inyo. Okay, thank you. Bye for now.
Bye.